Hi all, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to discuss about ASP.NET events. So if you have any doubts on .NET, ASP.NET related things, please watch my previous videos in my channel. Okay, let's go into our session. Okay, what is ASP.NET events? So an event is an action or occurrence such as mouse click, a key press, mouse movements, etc. Events in ASP.NET raised at the client machine and handled at the server machine. For example, a user clicks a button displayed in the browser. A click event is raised for that. The browser handles this client-side event by posting it to the server. So ASP.NET event handlers generally take two parameters and return void. The first parameter represents the object raising the event and the second parameter is event argument. The general syntax of an event is private void event name which you want to give and object sender event args e. This is the general syntax of an event. In the events, we have already discussed about an application life cycle. So if you have any doubt on that, please watch my video on the life cycle, ASP.NET life cycle events. Okay, the events which are mostly like application and session events, page control events, etc. So in the application and session events, you can see application start, application end, session start, session end, etc. So application start, it is raised when the application or website is started. Application end is raised when the application or website is stopped. Okay, similarly the most used session events are like session start. Session start is used when a user first requests a page from the application. Session end, it is raised when the session ends. Then page and control events. The common page control events are data binding, dispost, error, init, load, pre-render, unload. So the data binding is raised when a control binds to a data source. Dispost event is raised when the page or the control is released. Error, it is a page event occurs when an unhandled exception is thrown. Init, it is raised when the page or the control is initialized. Load, it is raised when the page or a control is loaded. Pre-render, pre-render is raised when the page or control is to be rendered. Unload event, it is raised when the page or control is unloaded from the memory. So we can check the details more. So let us see how we can add events in ASP.NET using Visual Studio. Okay, let's check how we can add events in ASP.NET. Okay, for that you have to go to Visual Studio from your computer. Open your Visual Studio. Okay, now it has been opened. From there you have to create a, I am creating a new website. Okay, let's create it. Okay, new project created, and I'm adding one. It's an empty one I have selected, so I am adding a web form here. Okay, now yeah, the web form has been added. Okay, now what you have to do is you have to go to your design of your page. Then in the design, in the left side you can see the toolbox. Just click on your toolbox and you can select a button over there. Okay, just drag and drop that button here. Yeah, now we can see that button. So select that button and go, you can see that properties here. Okay, just change button name. I am giving it as click. Okay, now it has been changed to click. Okay, now what you have to do is just double click on that one. Now I have clicked that button and I could see that an event has been created, that you can see protected void button click. So button click, this is the default event for the button. So that it has been created here. Okay, so if you want to do any operations based on the click event, you can do all of your operation here. Okay, so here you can see void, which means it won't return, this function won't return anything. This is that click event button one underscore click. Okay, and here you can see sender. This is an object which is created when we are creating a request, and event here just uh, this is used to trace the events. Okay, in the click function, okay. Now you can do some operations over here. Okay, I'm just writing a code for displaying the word. Okay, response dot write, response dot write. Let's see, I am writing as thank you for clicking, thank you for clicking the button. Okay, let's see. So I'm executing this page. Let's see what will happen. Okay, so the default page that has been loaded. Now you can see that click button here. Okay, this is the button we have created just before. So I am going to click on that button. So yeah, I clicked on that button. Now that text which we have wrote on that click on click button, that has been come. See here, thank you for clicking the button. This has been come when I click on the button. So this is how we can use the events in ASP.NET. We can have many controls in ASP.NET, so you can use any events. Okay. This concludes our today's session on ASP.NET events. If you like this video, please like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. Thank you.